Hi friends, welcome to Jenkins series. In the previous video, I explained about how to install the Docker, how to create a GitHub account. I shown some videos to you where you can get these things. And we saw some Docker files, some commands I explained, like how you need to see the Docker images, how to push a Docker image to your repository, how to log in. Those commands, some few instructions we saw manually. If you want to make automate these three things, we use the Docker file. And even though if you want to automate this Docker file through Jenkins, you need to do some few configurations in your Jenkins job. Okay, so now we need to install cloud-based Docker build and publish this plugin. I need to install, then I need to create the job. It is very easy task. If you do starting 3 steps, last 2 steps are very easy. Okay, so creating the job, now you are expert. Okay, so click on manage Jenkins. Now you know how to install a plugin in the Jenkins. Till now we so many plugins we install. Okay, so click on the available. Here you can type your plugin name. I already installed in my system. Click on install. Okay, just I'm showing which plugin you want to install. Okay, so if you see there is a Docker build and publish, you need to install. This is the plugin. Once this step is completed, you need to execute one command. You need to provide a permission. Okay, Docker group permission for the Jenkins user. That the command is, I will show you. If you go for a GitHub repository, there is a command user mode primary group -ag Docker Jenkins. Okay, if your username is different, change this username. Okay, so definitely you should execute. Without execution this command, your Docker commands won't execute in your Jenkins build. Okay, maybe without executing you can try. If work it good, if not work, then you can try this one. Okay, and once this step is completed, okay, come here, create a new item. Okay, I'm creating the new job. We'll take the freestyle project. Okay, what I will take, maven underscore docker underscore Jenkins. Okay, this is my freestyle project. Just okay, just these configurations you already know. To given the top level maven targets, click source code management. Okay, general, which configuration, GitHub project. Let me go and grab URL, just copy paste. Okay, next source code management, git. This configuration lot of times we done already. Okay, so paste it. Next build trigger. When the build should be trigger, anything we required here, not required anything. Build environment, delete workspace, and next go for the build step. Yes, here you can provide your top level maven targets. Okay, here what you want to do, you want to clean, you want to test, you want to deploy. Okay, once you got your jar file, you need to add your docker steps. Here if you see, here there is a command docker build and publish. Click here. Okay, here you need to provide your repository name. Okay, what is repository name, how to provide, in the previous video I already explained. Okay, here your repository name should be your tag name. Okay, that means if you click on your GitHub account, let me show you again. This is your tag name. Okay, here slash manually we created, right, Jenkins underscore docker underscore my app. So the same way we can provide your tag name also here. Whatever you want, you can give the tag name here. Okay, so what I will do, just say maven underscore docker underscore gen. uh, Everything I'm giving as small letters. Okay, Jenkins name. Okay, this is your tag name. Now you want to provide the version. If you don't provide the version, what will happen? We'll see. Okay, remaining as it is, same thing, you no need to do anything. And there is a registry credentials you have here. Okay, click on the add. I already saved my credentials. If you didn't save credentials, you created a GitHub account, right? Click on the Jenkins. Here, username with password. Okay. Domain is this one. Scope is Jenkins node items and all items. Here we have username and password. Here you can provide your Docker Hub username, Docker Hub password. ID and description is optional. Either you can provide, no issue. Just you can make it as a add. I already added my credentials, so okay, give. And what you need to do, just save your job. That's it, your job is done. Click on build now. We'll see what is happening. And remind one point, in your Jenkins directory, Docker file should be there. Why? Because it will default, it will fetch from your GitHub account, your Docker Hub, plus it will check in your repository Docker file is available or not. If you change to some file, it won't work. And click on the console output. Build is failed. Now we'll see what will happen. Okay, run my command. App test is run. Test cases build failure. What it is saying? Failed to execute the goal on project. Repository element was not specified in the POM inside distributed element layout URL parameter. Invoke top level mark. Okay, some configuration we given as a mistake, I think. Let me check configure. Top level Maven targets we given some wrong. Okay, okay, no deploy, you need to use the package. It will generate the jar file. Okay, build now. In separate session also I will explain about the Maven. So we have a lot of things we need to know, lot of commands we have in the Maven also. Okay, if you observe here, the build is successful. The jar file is created inside the target folder. Okay, target, your build is success. Now if you observe here, by default docker build -t, your repository name, your build name, hyphen pull equal to true, where your docker file is available, it is taking the path. Now how many steps? JDK installed, image is up to date, add target, entry point. Now it is creating the Docker image. It is pushed. Even see, it is pushed to your repository. You no need to do any configuration if it is a public repository. If you click here, sorry, and go for Docker Hub, just refresh it. What will happen? See, updated a few seconds ago, Maven underscore. See, latest. If we didn't provided any latest number, I want to tag a build number for this one. Okay, future any number of jobs may run, right? I want to know about the build number. Okay, Maven Docker Jenkins underscore tag name. So what I will do, go here, click on configure, and click on the build. But the real time they won't use in this way, they will create the pipeline. Very important, in the pipeline you should configure about this Docker. This Docker how to configure in the next section I will explain, don't worry about that one. Here in Jenkins we have a predefined environment variables. We have like a build number, job URL, build status. Some, while sending an email we saw, right, default subject line, some few variables. So those type of variables, one variable is available, we have one build number here. Just observe here what will happen. Okay, just click on save. By default it will point to public Docker repository. Okay, don't worry, this is your tag name we provided, right? My tag name slash build number, like so, that's why it is displaying. Don't worry, this is like a simple Jenkins job to know about this one. Later while explaining the pipeline, we'll see in depth on that part. Okay, what are the, how to push, how to log in, credentials, if you are writing any credentials, how to configure. In the pipeline we should not keep credentials, am I right? So how you need to handle those type of things, I will explain in the next part. So let me check. It is success. Just go and refresh here. See, my latest build number is 3. So if you run 100 times, 100 builds will be there here. Okay, I hope you guys are clear about this one. Please practice and don't forget to add this point. Okay, sudo. Try without this one, and if you are really tried without using this one, what exception you are getting, just leave your comment in the video section, then I will get to know really you are getting exception or is it running for in your Jenkins. Okay, so many people are trying on so many environments, like, then I want to know how it is working. Okay, thank you guys, we'll see you in the next tutorial.